Hello everyone, my name is Sanaz and welcome to the first lecture of database management system course. Today we're gonna run our first programming in a SQL to show a query as a table with some properties and some tuples. We wrote our programming in Java, and to see what's going on in this Java code, just click on the test file and you will find all of these prerequisites in my GitHub as a README. And so the task is just compiling and running the code to just see the name, email, and country of different person. So we will compile and run our first program in our command prompt if you are a Windows user, or in your terminal as a Linux or Ubuntu user, also in your command prompt from Mac. So to see which operating system you have, since I'm a Windows user, I'm just click on the Windows, go to the setting and find the system, click on about, and you will see your system type, operating system type, which mine is 64-bit operating system, and you also might have the 32 version. So we're gonna download and install the JDK, which is the prerequisite for compiling and running the first program. But before just jumping to that part, I'm gonna talk about the difference between just connecting to your server from your command prompt server, I mean the shell from the SQL, your workbench, and so on. So first of all, to just compile and run this program, you need to download the Venice State University VPN, and after connecting to the VPN, you can use that server to compile and run your program. So the cmd command prompt for your Windows operating system is like this, and we will just write a command to compile and run it. But if you just write, for example, the SQL shell and go to the image, you will see, for example, this page with this picture, and it is different. And for accessing to this SQL shell, you need to first of all you need to download the SQL workbench, and after that using your shell to connect to the server. So it will be suffice for the first exercise to just compile and run your code in your command prompt. Let me download the JDK. Just write JDK download, and the first link, go to the download. It will pop up the newest version of the JDK. So today is the October 18, 2019, and the newest version is JDK 13. I'm gonna click on the download. For downloading the JDK, you need to just accept the license and find your operating system to download the compatible version of this Java development and kit with your operating system. So mine was 64, and I have two options, exe or zip file. I prefer to download the exe file, but since I already downloaded, I'm not gonna do it again. So just go to the download. We will find it here. You just can click on it or right click on it and run it as an administrator. It will change in your device. It takes a time to install. Next, this is the path for storing the JDK, the Java file in your laptop or PC, go and click on the next button. So we are done with installing the JDK, the newest version 13. So the next step is just register your JDK on your laptop. Just write advanced, it will pop up the view advanced setting. So in the advanced column, environment variables, just click on environment variables. So here create the new pass and write Java home, and for the variable value we need to go to the pass that you register your JDK program files, go to the Java JDK 13 and just copy this path and paste it here. You also must register your JDK in the path, so just click on it, new, click on the path, yes, here create a new path and put the previous path as a Java home and bin. You will register the bin, the JDK bin. So now you're done with the registration of your JDK 13, and we want to test if we install the JDK properly. Just write the cmd command prompt and write Java version. It will pop up the version of your JDK, and after that Java C version. Yeah, this is the Java 13, and echo the path that you register for your JDK. Okay, so the last step is just compiling and running your programming code by using a command. So we will find the location of the exercise, which is, for example, for mine is in document exercise 1, and you will see 2 files here. But here is the path direction of your stored exercise. Just copy the file. So now we are in the user, and we will change the directory to this path, and finally you only need to compile and run your program by this command. Okay, so you will see here we have a table which has 3 columns: name, email, country, and for different person. So good luck with your first exercise in database management system, and wait for me for the next lecture.